Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I am busy on the last size, the 24-inch on the you know, I said to myself I need to start a new ball. There was a long end which I stretched the knitting out across on the needles, and I know if that long end doesn't go 3 times across those stitches when they're stretched out, it won't do the full row. So I went upstairs, got myself another ball, wound, started knitting, and I've knitted that end, and that's where it's ended. I'm going to have to take that row out. You know, things come to try me at times, you know. It'll not take me long. I'm pretty quick at unpicking stitches. There's only a few stitches up to the end of the row. So I was right anyway. It didn't go 3 times across the stitches when they're stretched across, and you have to stretch them across the needle. And I know if the wool doesn't go across 3 times, it means I'm going to be joining it in the middle of a row, which I'm not going to do. Especially with chunky, because chunky's rather thick. Whatever join in the middle of the row. So that's it. That was a long end I had. I started knitting across thinking I was doing this one. I'll just leave that long end start there. Got my needle and see what stitch I'm starting with. It's a knit stitch. Tighten those stitches up after I've knitted them. There, that's me right now. I've always seemed to be doing things like that these days. I think I made that many mistakes when I was knitting. That's the back. I have the back done. I think I made that many mistakes that last night. I just put it down. I thought I'm leaving it till tomorrow. So I got the back done anyway. It doesn't take very long because it's chunky, and the chunky does knit up a lot quicker. The other one, that was 22-inch. That one didn't take me very long. It's pretty quick to knit up. I like knitting with the chunky. Actually, I've never done much knitting. I don't think I ever knit anything chunky for my own kids when they were little. Maybe but one of my hairs is stuck to my arm. Drop it on the floor because I haven't vacuumed yet. I'll vacuum up, pick the hairs up later. There's usually more of my hair wrapped around the brush on the vacuum than what's on my head, as my son tells me sometimes when he's here. So anyway, I'm on to the left front, and I'm doing as much as I can of this before. I'll be doing something quick for my tea later on because it's my quiz night at the Percy tonight. And I will do a live tomorrow. I'll do 2 lives tomorrow, actually, sometime. I'll do 1 live with the questions. I'm going to write the questions. I have a little book which I take with me, and I write the questions down as full as I possibly can. But sometimes I don't always hear right, even with my hearing aids in. So I'll write the questions down as probably as clear as I can write them down, and then I'll do a live tomorrow and give you the questions, and then I'll do another live later on to give you the answers instead of giving you the questions and the answers in one video where, you know, some people could get confused if you could skipping through and could confuse them. So I thought I'd do 2 lives tomorrow, questions and answers. That's the best way. Everyone seemed to enjoy it. That's the one I did last week. We do get a picture round, but I can't give you that one because it's not like asking questions. It's just a picture. I think last week they were mostly to do with horror things, with it being Halloween. Horror characters and pictures from horror movies which we had to guess the names of. But anyway, I'm doing what I can of this, because I don't go out till about 7:30 and pick my friends up for 8 o'clock, but I will be doing a couple of 28-inch rosewood lace curtains. The ladies asked me to do a couple of 28, and I wasn't doing orders and that, but I thought I don't mind children's ones. They don't take very long, so when I finish this one, I will start on at my phone there, just that cash register. I usually have to put my phone on silent when I'm at quiz things, because when that's the cash register sound that goes when I sell something on either Etsy or Etsy. It's probably PDF, which is what I normally sell more of than. Yes, it's a PDF. That's what the cash register sound was. And sometimes during the quiz and the bingo, if I forgot to put my phone on silent, I didn't realise how loud that sound was until I started wearing my hearing aids, and I wondered why everybody looked at me when the sound went off. So I always put my phone on silent when I'm at the anyway, when I go to the knit natter on Monday, I put my phone on silent as well there, and on the quiz and on the bingo on Thursday, so everybody just turn around and look at me when it goes up. You hear the whispers, what on earth's that, But that's what you need, things like that, for to tell me if I've sold something, or else I wouldn't know. Which I have a shop on Ko-fi as well, and that doesn't do that. That goes through PayPal, unless I keep checking my phone and see that it'll show as a number on my PayPal app that I realise I might have had an order on Ko-fi, and I've had to check it. I wish it did the same thing, like with a noise like that, because I think one time there was an order on for a couple of days and I didn't know because I hadn't checked my PayPal, because that's where Ko-fi pays me, through PayPal. I have to tie that knot that to stop it from. And I'll leave that long end on there, because when I come to sew it up on the side, what I leave, the long ends I leave to sew. Sometimes it doesn't go all the way up there, so if I have long ends like that, I leave them just in case I need them for to finish the sewing off, the sewing up on them. And it's a very dark day today. It's only 3 o'clock. I've had to put the light on in my living room, and it's not, it's a little bit early for it to start getting dark yet. But it's a very dark day. It's not actually raining, but I hope it doesn't rain. I hate driving up when I'm going somewhere in the rain. It's distracting. I have knitted. I was on a knit row, the last row I've done. It's supposed to knit all the way across. This is what happens when you're talking. I've knitted halfway across, and the rest of the pattern is knit 2, purl 2, and I've done knit 2, purl 2. The other half, it should be knit all the way across. I'll have to pull some of those stitches out now. I think I'm going to end this video before I do any more mistakes. And I will see you all tomorrow with the quiz. And everyone can let me know if they want me to keep on doing it, if they like the quiz, which I will do if it's what people want. But if I don't get many views and all that, I probably won't do it again. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.